Welcome to our channel, Rey and V's Y Lab.
Let's explore why things happen in this universe. Rey, why is Earth a special planet? What makes it different?
Earth is special because it has liquid water. It's in the perfect spot from the sun. Not too hot, not too cold. Scientists call it the Goldilocks zone. Earth has a magic blanket of atmosphere called exogen debris that protects us from harmful sun rays and space rocks. It even has a magnetic shield like a superhero force field.
Earth is a superhero planet.
Because of water, air, and protection, Earth is the only planet we know that has plants, animals, and us.
Now I know why Earth is the most special planet.
Thanks for exploring with us.
Now go ask your parents or teacher to know more about it, or tell us your own why questions.